This absorption molding machine, the highest factory can reach 60 molds a minute, greatly improve production efficiency. Everyone good. I am now in TECHHUB Xingfeng Machinery Company's booth, that today they are to bring a fully automatic integration of the absorption molding machine. Site is crowded with people. Now take to follow my camera to see what special places this equipment it. This first stage is a 3-rod 4-layer supply sheet extruder. This equipment can be multi-point independent control of the heating temperature, sheet extrusion output of up to 400 to 500 kilograms per hour. Extruder equipment using particles as raw materials, such as PP pellet, and other materials according to different formulas, are free to add filler materials, such as calcium carbonate talc, etc., greatly reducing the cost of raw materials. Free to mix and match the formula can be done to do the acid, colored layered products to improve the diversity of products and enhance the effectiveness of product development. The product improves the product diversification and enhances the product competitiveness. The second stage of the second stage for this is the second stage for the Western digital molding stage. He will be the first stage of high temperature sheet through the Western digital film molding. Out of the required products, the maximum mold width can reach 1 meter. All floating dispersion precision, grinding teeth, piece optimization, product thickness, unevenness problem. This Western digital molding machine can reach the highest factory, can reach 1 minute of 60 grinding. Greatly improve the production efficiency of the last stage of the final stage of the last stage of the final stage is the 4-width punching and slicing process. He used from the top around the circle of the backlash design to reduce the length of the equipment, to increase the cooling time to achieve accurate feeding, and has a high film within the punching and cutting correction program to ensure that the punching and cutting of the neat and accurate and replacement of the knife grinding after the use of computerized adjustments and grinding depth accuracy of up to 10 threads of the whole process takes only 60 seconds to complete. Greatly improve the efficiency of the replacement of the grinding and has a 4-panel technology stacking technology to truly realize the product from the particles of the product to the finished product in one step of the Xingfeng machinery. This set of fully automated step-by-step Western numerical flow equipment is a highly efficient integrated plastic molding equipment to achieve continuous automated production from raw materials to finished products. Greatly reduces material and labor costs significantly, improve production efficiency and product quality to truly achieve low cost, high volume and other technical requirements. TECHHUB Xingfeng's fully automated integrated molding Western numerical molding line makes you excited about the welcome to come to their booth to feel the scene of the fire.